I came with an awareness to learn. It was insightful at the beginning, knowledge, learning. Eventually, it felt at the 10th day, it feels enlightened. It takes a lot of learning to build a house. I am having entire caliber to build a palace now, not just a house. So yeah, thanks to Rafi sir for this. Thanks for the memories that we have made. Thanks for the friendship and the kind of people we got to know. The way you teach, it never feels like you're teaching a subject or a topic. It comes more like we are flowing with the river. You know, it is so easy. It is so easy, and yet it goes inside the brain. While we are in the process, we think, you know, where will we be able to really imply all this? How will we apply all this in our personal life with our clients, etc., etc. Something has changed in me. It was a wiring which you didn't really open and kind of try and fix it. It just was a magic. And I totally agree with the idea that we call this, and this is named as magic of change, because without knowing you, there is a magic which happens inside you, and you are a changed person. And if you go this, and trust me, please come here, and if you come here, immediately apply, because this will not only help you, it will help a lot of other people that you're going to impact. It doesn't seem like it's a program. I mean, we go with an objective that yes, this is a program, we'll be doing something, but when it starts, it feels like it is smooth. It is smooth as butter. It is flowing like a river. It doesn't feel like a program. It just keeps happening, and then you realize, oh, you know it all and you're done with it. I have never missed my family in 10 days. One thing, thanks for, you know, having these mentors coming in and teaching us, because there's so much to learn from them. I don't think that we really get this exposure, this kind of learning, this kind of modeling, that and the time that they give us in anywhere else, because I've never come across, at least in my corporate world, ever before this. And not that I've heard in any other, you know, life coaching programs and etc., which happens out there. One, before I talk about these mentors, leaders, it felt more like, Rafi sir, you were just giving in this whole process. It never felt like that, you know, you are trying to yield something out of it, except the fact that you would want us to go with a lot of learning and education and help people out there. And you're so considerate, humble about it. And but the way you're just giving with these mentors makes us feel that this is the best place to be in, and we couldn't have learned better than here. So it's a right choice that we made. We came here. I came at a very last moment because I had some exciting plans. I'm so glad that it didn't happen and I could make. Yeah, I was supposed to go to Europe, but visa couldn't happen, and I'm happy it didn't happen. Trust me, I can go to Europe, you know, maybe next year or maybe 6 months later. But this thing, if it would have been delayed, I would have missed lot of things, lot. Coming back to the mentors, every role model, every person comes with something, you know, about them. Like if I talk about Smita Tharoor, she's all about her, you know, confidence, the way she walks in the room, the way she communicates, yet she is so humble. You know, she born and brought up, I mean not born, but yes, brought up in UK for last maybe 25-30 years, being across the world, training and coaching, and yet she ate food with us. The way she spoke to us, they cleared any questions that we had about her, and because we were trying to model her, we learned so much from her. If I go back to Rajamurthy sir, again, same thing, humble, awareness, focus. At the same time, again, he is just about giving. He comes with so much of calm, love, passion to teach. Not only to teach us with an intent of, you know, okay, he's here for the program, then he must be doing it. But it felt like they're all about giving. They give from heart. I think that is something that I would want to take away from these role models, to be humble. One is to give without expectation. And third is to just, you know, be a good listener with an intent to really help people, not just to listen for the heck of listening. I think these are three key things for me, which I want to like read and write every day till I just, you know, absorb it in my blood and cells. Invest for sure in magic of change as many times as you can. I mean, it's investment on yourself. If you love yourself, then please do invest. This moment, this kind of mentoring, this kind of family bonding, the tribe that you get here, you will not get anywhere else. I'm already so heavy on my heart, and I know that I'll cry. So, because we're not taking away only learning and knowledge and experience, we're taking away family from here. A lot of love, a lot of bond that we build unknowingly in last, maybe it was a 10 days, but how did we build this bond? We want to take care of each other. We want to be there for each other. It was, I think it comes like the way I feel it for my daughter. It's like the kind of a bond that we have built here.